My dear children, a very warm good morning to one and all. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and you are enjoying this online learning. As we all know that we are facing a fatal crisis due to this pandemic situation, that is life-threatening COVID-19 virus. Let us take an oath to follow the healthy habits and thereby break the chain. Stay home, stay safe and healthy. Okay, I hope all of you learned our previous topics. Am I right? Yeah, very good. And now we shall move to the next topic, that is writing, in page number 22. You can see a picture there. You have to look at that picture carefully and write a paragraph about it. You have to describe that picture. Shall we start? Shall we move on to the topic? Yeah. What do you see in this picture? What place this is? Yeah, this is a vegetable garden. Who you see there? Below you can see some hints. Who you see there? Adil, Diya and mother. What each person is doing? What are they doing there? Adil digging what? Carrots. Diya is watering brinjal plant with a watering can. What is the mother doing? Mother is helping Adil to dig the carrot. What vegetables you see there? What vegetables? We can see brinjal, cauliflower, pumpkin. Then what else? Carrot. Then there are some plants in the wheelbarrow. Then what else? We can see apple on apple tree. That is, there are apple trees in the garden. Then we can see some flowers also. What are they? Sunflowers, roses, etc. Can you see a butterfly there? Yeah, very good. We can see butterfly also. So how can we write all these sentences in a paragraph? We shall sum up these points and develop into a paragraph. You can begin this way. This is a vegetable garden. Adil and Diya are working in the garden with their mother. Mother is helping Adil dig the carrots from the earth. Diya is watering the brinjal plant with a watering can. There are some plants in the wheelbarrow. The vegetables in the garden are cabbages, cauliflowers, pumpkins and brinjals. There are apple trees in the garden. There are also sunflowers and roses. There is a butterfly near the flowers. We discussed writing section describing a picture. I hope today's content is very much clear to you. I attached another worksheet in our classroom. Please download it and do the work and file it with you. That's all for today. Thank you.